You're not losing yourself in motherhood. You're disappearing into it. And the worst part? You're doing it on purpose because you believe that's what love looks like. But neuroscience says otherwise. Here's what you should do instead.
Your brain has rewired. Parenting changes your prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and reward centers. You're literally not the same person neurologically. But, and this matters, that change is reversible. You're not broken. You're reorganized. The second piece is decision fatigue. You make 35,000 decisions a day. Every one depletes the same mental resource. What they eat, what they wear, whether they're safe, whether that cry means something's wrong. By 3 p.m., you have nothing left. Not because you're weak, because your brain is exhausted. The invisible load is the real killer. Hochschild called it the second shift. It's not folding laundry. It's remembering it needs doing, planning when to do it, managing the whole system. 60 to 80% of parents report identity loss in the first 5 years. It's not you. It's the architecture of parenting today.
Here's the reframe that changes everything. Your identity didn't disappear. It went into hibernation, and you can wake it up without abandoning your child. The guilt you feel, that voice saying, "I should want to be here all the time," isn't love. It's cultural conditioning. Women are socialized to be responsible for everyone's emotional well-being, and it's pathogenic. Parents who report guilt about not doing enough have higher rates of depression and anxiety. The guilt isn't protective, it's destructive. But here's what flips it. Your child doesn't need a martyr. Your child needs a parent who is a whole person. A parent who has something that's theirs. Because that parent is calmer, more present, more patient. Your child benefits directly from your reclamation. Permission. You are allowed to grieve what you've lost. You're allowed to miss your old life. You're allowed to want it back. And you're allowed to have some of it back. Both loving your child and missing yourself are true. Naming that loss is the first step to reclaiming yourself.
The Reclamation Audit. Do this today. Make a list. What did you do before you've completely stopped? Not what you think you should do. What did you love? Reading, running, painting, coffee with a friend, sleeping past 6 a.m., having a thought that wasn't about your child. Pick one. Find the minimum viable version. If you ran 10 miles, you're not going back to that tomorrow. But 20 minutes alone? Possible. If you saw friends weekly, monthly dinner is real. If you read novels, 15 minutes before bed counts. Protect that time non-negotiably. Not when everything is done. Not when the house is clean. Not when your partner agrees. Pick a day, time, and defend it. The conversation. I need 20 minutes a week that's non-negotiable. This isn't optional. This is maintenance. I'm not asking permission. What happens next? You'll feel guilty. You'll think about the laundry. You'll wonder if your child is okay. Do it anyway. The guilt fades in 3 weeks. The benefit doesn't. One practice this week. Identify one thing you're not going to do. Not perfectly. At all. Skip the vegetables. Let your partner put the baby to bed in whatever clothes are clean. One thing. That's where your 20 minutes comes from. You haven't lost yourself. You've temporarily forgotten where you are. And the path back starts with one small thing that's yours. Next video, how to actually create that time when everything feels urgent and everyone needs you.